My name is the Chosen One, and I hail from a small tribal village known as Arroyo. It's been 80 years since the events of the first fallout, and our village is facing a crisis. Our holy Gek, Garden of Eden creation kit, which sustains the village, has malfunctioned, and its power supply is running out. The village elders, including my ancestor, the Vault Dweller, believe that I am destined to find a solution and save our people. Armed with my ancestor's Pip-Boy and a few supplies, I set out on a journey across the post-apocalyptic wasteland in search of a new Gek. My first destination is the nearby town of Klamath, where I hope to gain information about Vault 13, the place where the original Gek was found. In Klamath, I meet various individuals who aid me in my quest. I rescue Sulik, a tribal warrior, from slavery, and he becomes my loyal companion. I also encounter Vic, a skilled mechanic, and gain his assistance. Together, we uncover clues that lead us to Vault City, a highly advanced settlement built around Vault 8. Vault City is ruled by a strict caste system, and outsiders like me are treated as second-class citizens. To gain access to the vault, I must prove my worth by completing several tasks and navigating the complex political landscape. It's a challenging ordeal, but I eventually gain the trust of the Vault City's leaders and secure a Vault 13 location disk. Armed with the location information, I journey to Vault 13, hoping to find another Giek. However, I discover that the vault has been taken over by intelligent Deathclaws, a mutated species of reptilian creatures. With diplomacy and persuasion, I convince the Deathclaws that I mean no harm and discover that the Enclave, a remnant of the pre-war United States government, has taken the Gek. To confront the Enclave and retrieve the Gek, I seek the help of the secretive Brotherhood of Steel, a technologically advanced faction dedicated to preserving ancient technology. They provide me with power armor and valuable information about the Enclave's headquarters on an oil rig in the Pacific. Infiltrating the Enclave's base proves to be a daunting task, but with my allies and newfound skills, I manage to make my way through their defenses. I confront the Enclave's leader, President Dick Richardson, and learn of their sinister plan to release a modified FEV, Forced Evolutionary Virus, into the wasteland, exterminating all mutated life forms. With time running out, I disable the FEV release system and engage in a final battle against the Enclave's forces. In the midst of the chaos, I retrieve the Gek and escape the oil rig just as it explodes, destroying the Enclave's stronghold. Returning to Arroyo, I present the Gek to my village. With its power restored, Arroyo begins to flourish once again. The village elders declare me their new leader, and I guide our people into a prosperous future. And thus, my journey as the Chosen One comes to an end, having saved my people and played a crucial role in shaping the post-apocalyptic wasteland for years to come.